Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company, and here we have the Honda Jazz on a 70 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car first, and then we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside of it. From the outside, you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. We're going to start off inside the boot area of the vehicle, first of all. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat, should you wish to increase this space even further again. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in. And as I mentioned, we'll run through some controls on the inside of the car from there. Now that we've done a full circle of it though, the first thing you can see is that the alloy wheels are in pristine condition, as is the paintwork the entire way around the vehicle. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials first of all. On that left-hand side, we have the battery charge level. On the right-hand side, the fuel gauge level. In the centre, you can see the total miles for the car. They are 27,145. Above that, we've got a digital readout for the speedometer. You can also change information displayed in this central section using controls on the steering wheel. The controls in question are just here. We have stereo controls, phone controls, we have cruise control and speed limiter as well. And in the background to the right-hand side just here, you can see, or just there, you can see the power button to turn this vehicle on in the first place. We are currently, as we sit here, in EV mode. You can tell by the EV that's just there, and of course if the petrol engine cuts in, that will disappear. Over to the central screen next. So this is all touchscreen, so you can go back using the physical buttons to the home screen, where you can then use the touchscreen to go into any of the menus that you see just here. So for example, we have our radio. Volume for the stereo is just here. Again, we can go back to the home screen. Within that radio setting, you can save your own presets. We can also access our DAB radio on here. We've got Bluetooth audio, as you can see. You can connect up your smartphone. You can pair up certain Honda-friendly apps. We've got our AM radio. DAB is on this screen as well. USB input. So loads of options throughout this car. And if I pop the vehicle into reverse, a full color reversing camera as well. Working our way down, we then have the climate control. So you can adjust the temperature that's in the car, the fan speed, and of course the direction you would like the air distributed in. Air conditioning is on at the moment, so that's off. Back on again. You can recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly depending on the temperature you set over here. Or just hit auto. The car will do all of the work for you to maintain the temperature that you've asked for. You can see and hear it doing that now. Any manual adjustment will override that straight away. Underneath that, we have 2 USB inputs, one for your music, one for charging. We have a 12-volt charging socket just there as well. Some storage. The gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. We have an electronic handbrake with an auto hold function for that handbrake as well. The last thing I wanted to mention is the paperwork we have for the car. So you can see the V5 registration document just there. In the envelope is the spare key. So of course that means there's 2 keys in total. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, or you'd like a live bespoke video tour, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. We'd love to hear from you soon.